Very quick one right here about the Metamask reward program. All right, so it just came to conclusion few hours ago, and here on this video I'll be sharing to you guys the latest update and what you should be expecting from here. Okay, so everything right here is very simple, and right now, before we dive deep into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I teach you a lot about how to make money in the crypto space. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do it to look below the video you're watching right now. Click on the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, share and comment. Okay, so without me saying, let's now talk about this Metamask reward program which just came to conclusion a couple of hours ago. So over here on the Metamask X account, of course, this is where they drop their update 247, and over here about 16 hours ago they actually said that their reward season 1 has dropped, and over here they said we are now processing your reward and activity, and the claim process will begin in the coming days. Thanks you to everyone who participated. Here is what you can expect. So if you actually paid close attention to the channel, I've been dropping a lot of updates about this particular reward program. It is coming from Metamask itself, and this is actually a program where they are about to distribute what we call linear token. Okay, so over here, guys, what we should be expecting from here is that the season 1 reward include these. Okay, so it actually include this, and first thing right here is linear token allocation. Of course, that is the major thing right here, because that is the main airdrop that a lot of us are waiting for. So if you actually participated on the Metamask reward program for this season 1, you should be watching now, because very soon you are going to be able to claim linear token. But if you missed out on this one, or maybe you didn't find the channel on time, do well to stay connected, because we are still going to be dropping more updates every single day. Now, the second thing you should be looking out for is, of course, Nansen Pro discount. All right, so this is just like like an app, like a program that's actually very beneficial to you. You are going to be getting discount to you just the same way you get discount when you are trying to use a certain app or buy some certain software, you understand. Now, the third thing is Yuga Lab. All right, so otherwise exclusive avatar. I don't really know about this Yuga Lab. So, but if you want to be making more inquiries about it, you click on it. So this is this include projects include board APH, other side meta, proof XYZ, 12-fold. I'm going to be taking my time to do inquiries about this one. Now, the last thing that's going to be included as a reward to people who actually participated on qualify for the Metamask reward program, the last thing is, of course, Metamask Meta card for 1 year. So you are going to be getting 1 year free Metamask card. All right, so of course, with Metamask card you can spend your crypto without having to open your wallet and other stuff like that. Now, most important thing right here, they said eligibility vary by level and activity. Now, to make this even very simple, I'm going to be taking you to my Metamask reward to show you what they mean by level, because you don't expect yourself, if you participated on this, don't expect yourself to get Metamask card if you didn't have enough allocation. The higher your points, the higher the reward you are going to get. Okay, now over here they said again, once the claim process begin, you will be able to check eligibility and claim your reward in Metamask mobile. Now, remember, they said right here that the claiming of the airdrop is going to be activated in the coming days. They didn't say week, they didn't say month. So in just a couple of days we are going to be able to claim this reward, and they say that when the claim is enabled, that is when we are going to be able to claim our Metamask reward. That is when we are going to be able to check if we were eligible for that, for the Metamask reward program or not, if we are eligible to claim the airdrop or not. Now, I'm taking you to my Metamask. This is, of course, what we have right here. Okay, now let's go. Come on, load up. So right here, right now, you can see, of course, this is my second account. This is not my major account. So if you look over here, you can see that all this has disappeared, leaving you with only the points you have earned and also the level you are on. So the level you are on is the major determinant of your reward. Okay, and over here I have about 41 referral right here. This is the only thing you need to have on your dashboard right now. So when the claim becomes live, you are still going to be able to come over here to your Metamask to actually claim your tokens. All right, so it is all as simple as this, and this is all you need to know right now. Remember, when the claim becomes live, I will still be updating you guys so that you guys can check your eligibility and claim your tokens, spend your money anyhow you want it. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I believe you got delighted, and of course this video was educational. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do it to like and subscribe, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.